Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at PowerPoint and a quick way where you can change the text, the type of font that you have throughout your document in a really quick, easy way rather than individually changing each page. So what we need to do is just coming up to the Format tab, then go down to Replace Fonts, and whatever font you have at the moment, so I have Q Beginners, click on that one, and then anywhere where Q Beginners font is throughout the document, which is over here and all the way through, but not on the title page there because it's a different font, so those ones won't change. Anything that's Q Beginners I want to change to, let's have a look here. I'll change it to Foundation Regular, and once I click Replace, all of those ones will change for me. And I close that and I'll have a look. So as you can see, the title page there is the same because they weren't the font that I selected, but everything else it was, all of those have now changed. Now I'll just go through, and what I like to do is go to View Slide Sorter, and that's a quick way for me to have a look through all the slides just to double check the spacing, because when I changed the font, originally the font I had was what I was working out the spacing for, and now that I've changed it, sometimes fonts can muddle up all your spacing and go over the page. So everything's looking pretty good there. Just have a bit of a look through. Sometimes the wider letters like M can muddle up, so I can see here I might need to go and have a look at that one and just make that a little bit different, maybe a little bit smaller. It's all looking pretty good. Going through. Okay, so over here you can see that the E on the end of the word waddle has been knocked off. So what I'm going to do is go into that slide and then I'll just change that one. So I can either expand this or I can change it to a smaller font if I need to. We're almost at the end there. Everything else appears to be pretty good. Okay, and then I'll change that now. File, Save As, and I'll change it to be the font that I used. Foundation Regular. Waiting for that to save. Okay, so now I've got that font listed in that file name so that I can tell the difference very quickly between those two files, the previous one that I had and now this one.